This is going to be a quick love reading for all the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. How we do it? Let's get started. All right. So let us start with your energy first. This is going to be a 3-minute reading. Ten of Cups, how you're feeling right now is that, you need that emotional fulfillment. Maybe you are all fulfilled right now. You're feeling like, self-sufficient, and this is the energy that you're embodying. Or maybe you have a lot of love and you have a lot of, the things that you can offer in any love connection, and you are ready for the new connection in life. Or maybe this might simply mean you waiting for certain someone to come along your way with whom you can have, this sort of happiness, like, yeah, all sort of abundance. All right, so with the Knight of Cups, wow, it seems like there's someone around you. All right, so you are very much attracted towards this person, and how you envision this person in your mind is that, this person is very loving and caring, and you're really highly hoping. I'm so sorry, I'm blabbering a little bit because of the lack of time. So yeah, it seems like you are really hoping that this person, or maybe in your dreams, this person is a very loving individual for you. So I quickly want to ask, who is this Knight of Cups? What do they feel about my Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please? How do they feel about my Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Three of Pentacles. So this might mean two things. Okay, this might mean that, this person would want to come and communicate with you. This might also mean that, they would want to take you, you know in their friend circle. All right, so they want you to meet their friends. They want to sort of see how you will gel up in their company, and whether you are somebody who can easily fit in or not. Wow, this person is thinking about you. With the Six of Swords, it seems like, yeah, this person could have been certain, heartbreak in the past, and this person now wants to start this new love connection with you. And yeah, they feel like, it's going to be so peaceful, it is going to be so calm and soothing to be around your energy. That is what this person is feeling, is what I'm sensing. But with the Four of Swords, this person has fears because of the past, heartbreak that this person has been through. This person really, yeah, this person has sleepless nights, and yeah, this person is very much contemplative about whether this relationship with you is going to work or not. So somebody very wise, and somebody who takes steps after, being quite cautious. So with the Ace of Cups, but this person has a lot to offer, just like you have, and it seems like your both of yours needs are completely matching. Okay, you fit right in each other's puzzle pieces. Okay, so that is what I'm sensing, a lot of love. With the Seven of Pentacles, this person, is waiting for that right time to step in towards you. So what is going to be the outcome of this connection, please? Wow, the lovers, you two will end up in love connection together, is what I'm seeing over here. All right, so yeah, stay prepared.